In this video, we are going to set up MongoDB replication on Linux servers. My replica set contains 3 nodes, one primary node and 2 secondary nodes. I am going to divide this video into 6 steps. In the step 1, I will take backup of configuration files. In the step 2, going to configure hosts file. In the step 3, we configure firewall. In the step 4, we configure MongoDB replica set. In the 5th step, we initiate replication. And in the last step, we will test the replication. After watching this video, please subscribe my channel. Step 1. Here I am going to take backup of hosts file and MongoDB.config file. I am in home directory. Here I am taking backup of my host file, that is located in etc hosts underscore before modif. Mod means modification. See here. In the same way I am going to do in other servers. CP, which means copy of this file to this new file. Copy contents of this file to this one. Now I have taken backup of my host file. Now I am going to take backup of my MongoDB configuration file. That is copy, which is located in etc, then file name is MongoDB.conf. Then make this as MongoDB before modification. Do the same, repeat this command in other 2 servers. Now we have completed step 1, that is taking backup of files. Now going to add my IP address and host names in the hosts file. This is the IP address of my host name, that is MongoDB1. This is second IP and this is the host name. This is the IP and this is their respective host name. We can verify host name by simply typing host name. We can get the IP address by ifconfig. See, this is my IP address. Okay, I am going to copy these and add in /etc, then /hosts file. vi /etc/hosts. Go down, press I to insert, then paste them. Give the space and escape, then WQ exclamation to save the file. Repeat the same in other 2 servers. vi /etc/hosts. vi /etc/hosts. Now we have configured hosts file. Now we are going to configure firewall to open the port 27017, that is default MongoDB port number. Use the command. First we have to install ufw. Now I am going to install ufw, that is uncomplicated firewall. Using the command apt sudo apt install UFW. I have already installed. If you don't have installed, execute this command and install it in all three nodes. After installation, we have to enable EFW. Sudo EFW enable. Now we have to enable the port numbers 27017. Sudo UFW allow 27017. We have to run this command in all nodes. Here it is showing skipping adding existing rule because I have already added. But in your environment you have to add. You have to execute this command. I am going to execute this command in 3 nodes. Rule, see, it is not added, so it is saying rule added. Okay. Now run the same command in other node also. See, it has been added. Let's verify this port is open or not. See here, port is open. Copy this one. Here also port number 27017 is open. Now we have completed third step, that is configuring firewall to open the port number 27017. Fourth step, that is we have to configure replica set. We can configure replica set by modifying MongoDB.config. It is stored in etc directory. vi/etc/mongodb.conf. Here I am going to change only this bind IP. I am going to replace this bind IP with my MongoDB IP address, that is MongoDB 192.168.152.135. In your environment, use the IP address of your host. Here my IP address is this one. Here what I have done, I have added 192.168.152.135. Then I have commented out the old one. Also keep the space between this colon and give one space after this colon. It's very important to keep the space after this colon. Okay, I have given one space. Now we have to give the replica set name. I have uncommented and add the replica set name. Give 2 spaces, then give repl set name, then give the colon, then give space. I am giving my replica set name as R2 schools. Press enter. It's very important to give 2 spaces here, that is called indentation. Then also important point is here repl set name is case sensitive. Repl, then here S should be capital and N should be capital. Then after the semicolon you have to give one space, then we have to give whatever the replica set name. This can be anything, but this can be same in all 3 replica nodes. Okay. Here I am going to repeat what I have done. I have added my IP address of my host name. Then commented out the old one. Then I have given, also we have to give the space after this colon, one space. Then I have removed the hash symbol before the replication to enable the replication. Next line, I have given 2 spaces here. Then I have given the REPL set name. Here S should be capital and N should be capital. Then after colon, I have given 1 space and given the replica set name. Then save it. Repeat the same settings in another nodes. Go down to bind IP, then insert 192.168.152.141, then comment existing one. See here my host name is MongoDB 2 and respective IP is 141. I have given, also here I have given the space before IP address and after colon. Now go down and enable replication. Remove this hash to enable replication. Then below that give 2 spaces for indentation. Then give the REPL set name. Then use colon. After that we have to give 1 space. Then we have to give the replica set name. Then give the space and save it. Configure the same, configure the replica set in another node also. Go to bind IP 192.168.152.142. Then give space, then comment out the previous one. Again I am repeating, here there should be a single space for indentation. Now go to replication section. Remove this hash to enable the replication. Then go down and insert. Then give 2 spaces for indentation. Then give the name REPL set name. Then give colon. Then give space. Then here we have to provide replica set name, that is R2 schools. Then give space after this replica. Then save the file. Now we have completed 4th step, that is we have added the IP address of my host name in bind IP. Then I have added replica set name in the replication section in the MongoDB config file. And 5th step, now I am going to initiate replication. After modifying MongoDB.config file, we have to restart MongoDB server. systemctl restart MongoDB.service. Let's verify the status of MongoDB server. See, it is active. It is active and running and restarted 9 seconds ago. Copy this command and execute them in all 3 nodes. See, it is active and started 9 seconds ago. See, we have started, which means we have restarted 6 seconds ago. Press Q to quit. Here also Q, here also Q. Now I am going to connect to my MongoDB server. 192.168.135. It has been thrown error because I have given the wrong IP. Okay, Mongo 192.168.152, then 135. See, we have successfully connected to Mongo server. Repeat this in all three servers. Mongo 192.168.152.141. We have successfully connected to three nodes after configuring replica sets. Now use the command rs.initiate to initiate replication. It is saying OK 1, which means it's done. Here it is showing as secondary. After we press enter, it becomes primary, which means it becomes primary. Now add the other nodes to this primary server. Now add the other servers. Those will become secondary server. Secondary nodes. rs.192.168.152.141. Then close the quotations and close the bracket. Press enter. It is success. Then add the another node also. This will also become secondary because any replica set contains only one primary node. We have successfully added. Let's verify replica status. See here 192.137. This is the primary server and ID is 0. Always ID starts 0. And this is another secondary server. This is the third secondary server. Now switch to secondary servers. Here it has been shown as secondary server once we enter. Before it was showing only one bracket. The third one also, if you press the other node, if you press enter, it will show second. See, it has been changed. Now issue the command. Now in secondary server, issue the command. Let's verify show DBs. In secondary server, issue this command. See, here it has been thrown error because it is not slave yet. We have to run the command rs.slave OK. Here O should be capital. Now execute the command show DBs. See, it is showing databases. Run the same command in other node also. Show DBs. Now we have initiated replication on 3 nodes. Now last step, that is test the replication. Now I am verifying. Go to primary server. CLS is the command to clear the screen. Now create a database in primary server. See, as of now I have only default databases which comes with the installation of MongoDB. Now I am going to create a database. Use test. Then I am going to create a collection, that is insert.name elsewhere. You can create any collection. Show DBs. Here I have 4 databases. Now switch to secondary servers. Verify this database has been moved to secondary nodes or not. Now run the command show DBs. Notice here, before it contains only 3 databases. If replication is successful, then the new database has to come to the secondary server. See here, new database has come to also verify in another node. Before it contains only 3 databases. Now we have created a database in primary server. Show DBs. See, the new database replicated in secondary server. We can perform only read operations in secondary server. See here, we can't create a database. Use test2. Now try to create a collection in this database. db.test is my collection name. Insert name Elsure. See, it has been thrown the error because this is not master. Okay, code name is not master. Why? Because secondary servers are only read-only replica nodes. We have successfully configured MongoDB replication on Ubuntu Linux servers. For more MongoDB and other database videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.